day 5. The weather has cleared up, so
Thank
we
God.
are heading from Louisiana to Texas.
What's up, guys?
We're back on the road.
Back on the road. Swamp to the left, swamp to the right. There's a lot you can do in one day, because yesterday we couldn't really do much because of the weather. We went to the Frenchman's Market. That was cool. We went a little bit too late, but it's just good to see like different vendors and different cool things. They usually have like jazz music playing in every little corner. We're starving, so we're looking into a place to go have some lunch, and we found this really cool place. It's called Crawfish Town, USA. It's right off of I-10, and has really good reviews. Found it on Road Trippers, and then I googled it. It has 4.5 5-star reviews. We're about to go have some more gumbo. Y'all already know I love seafood. Tim not so much, but he loves me, so he does it for me.
Alright guys, so we just got to Crawfish Town, USA. This is Millie's spot. I swear, when we get to Texas, I'm picking all the spots. But you better get all the crawfish you can, because after this stop, ain't no more Louisiana. Alright, so the next thing we're trying new is boudin balls. They're fried and got cheese inside.
Boudin is that super famous Louisiana sausage.
Yeah. Bruh, that food was on point.
Delicious.
It was. I
It was
can't
really
remember, man.
good. We're
That has to be the best. Well, probably the only catfish po' boy I've had, and yeah, it's the best. So we're about to go look for some boudin
sausages.
Yeah, we got the fried one.
Balls.
We got the boudin balls, so we're about to see what the actual
good.
boudin is. So we at this little fresh market. Lady said come across the street.
And by the
Millie's
way,
gonna try
they're
it
pet
out.
friendly.
Everything is cooked before it's stuffed. That's
Okay.
all cooked ahead of time.
Okay.
And we grind it all together in a big mixer.
Okay.
And stuff it into casing.
Gotcha.
Interesting.
Cool. Bae, I don't know if I can do it. I don't know.
It's really not bad.
So do you eat that? Do you take that little thing off?
It's
of
up
it?
to you. You could eat it or you could just take it out. You need some help or something, sir?
Good.
It's actually really good.
Where you from?
We're from Florida.
Florida, yeah. I'm kind of weird with texture, guys. So that looks.
I love it.
It's good.
He's just.
It tastes good?
Like fried stuff.
Yeah, more like fried, or if it has like I'm weird with textures.
We sell boudin balls too. So
Oh, yeah, I had that over there and that was pretty good.
It's like the stuffing and they fried and like.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Awesome, man.
My
Thanks.
name's Adam.
Adam, thank you. It was so nice. Appreciate it.
All right, man. Have a good one.
Well, I feel like I've been way out of my
That
comfort
was-
zone
that
in
was
this trip.
strange.
We've had alligator tail. We've had boudin balls.
Boudin balls.
sausage.
And crackling. Yeah.
That was good. Yeah, we don't really eat this stuff, but it's just like we're trying things out, you know?
Yeah. We're trying to try some new things, guys.
Yeah. So I was looking at the next few stops because a lot of the the stops are really spaced out. So
We can drive an
we
hour.
have the casino, which is an hour
casino.
and a half.
So yeah.
Should probably,
All the stops are spaced out. We're gonna stop at the casino first, and then
well, depending on how you feel with driving, my personal goal was to pass Texas, but it's
past Texas.
I mean, yeah, a little bit past Texas, so that way we can make up.
Drive through Texas.
No, not past it. Like, I guess the what? I don't know what I mean.
You mean get out of Louisiana?
Get out of Louisiana.
Okay. All right, so we're back on the I-10, and this is the part that we don't like.
Feels like we're on a roller coaster.
Yeah. Like see, I don't know if y'all can tell how I'm bouncing. I'm not doing this just for fun. Bae, say something. What's happening?
Nothing. It's not that bad right now.
All right, guys, we just made it to our next stop where we're gonna rest. We're at a casino in Lake Charles. Just hanging out, man, in this empty parking lot, which is free. We found on the Allstays app. So, yeah, man, we're just gonna hang out here. My foot's a little bit better, so we may go in the casino today. We'll see. But it's just us, a couple other RVers out here, and this loud ass bridge. Yeah, there's a few other RVers here. So these guys are over there. They've actually unhooked. So I'm thinking we can unhook. I don't know. I'm almost sure we can, but I don't think we are. But yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna chill here for a little bit and take a nap and get back on the road later. What's up, y'all? So we definitely overslept. Just woke up, and now we're trying to plan to see what our next stop would be. So, anyways, what do you think?
There's not many rest stops on the way, like I told you. The next rest stop is about 89 miles away, so I think it would do 89 miles today. That's like an hour.
So the next what is 89 miles away?
Yeah.
What's that, a rest stop?
You can stop and rest there. Everything else is like campgrounds and
Do they have
Walmart?
No, do they have, what do you call it, dump stations?
In this rest stop, it doesn't say.
Do any of them stay?
Some of them say, but sometimes it's just not stated.
That means it's probably not there.
Yeah, this one just have truck parking, 30 truck parking spaces, restrooms, picnic table, Wi-Fi, and
Okay.
Smile, smile.
bye-bye, casino. It was nice to let us stay here for a few hours. We're about to be out right now.
Yo, just got to Texas. We in Texas.
Lone
Big
Star
state. Oh, that's what they say? Lone Star? Big state? I don't know. Texas, we out here. Putting some gas and then we're about to head back on the road. Drive for a couple more hours and see where we can get. Yeah, give me some snacks. I need some snacks. Por favor. Come on, girl. Alright, guys, so we just arrived at Texas and the ride has been extremely smooth driving at nighttime. So it seems like there's a big, huge difference. I don't know if it's the heat or what, but I love it, man. I'm gonna start driving more at nighttime. Go ahead and use the bathroom, girl. There you go. Good girl. Millie went inside to get some snacks because we're gonna stay on the road for a little bit here. Use the bathroom? Yeah? Hope. Come on, girl. Good morning. So we just woke up, y'all, and we're at a rest area off the I-10 just outside of Houston, and we're about to hit the road again. We drove a little late last night. We got in about maybe 11:30, 12. Don't usually like to drive at night, but well, not that we don't like it. I prefer to drive at daytime, but what I realized is things are a lot smoother at night. There's not a lot of traffic. The wind is a lot lower. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Cool little rest area. Watch for snakes. Thankfully, everything has been smooth. Everything with the ride, everything with the trailer, no problems. We're always thankful for that because, you know, anything can happen on the road. There goes Sally Mae and Black Mamba. Good morning, Grouch. Look at that face. What we got? Some hash browns, bread, vegan bacon, turkey bacon. What we're gonna eat? So pretty soon, guys, we'll be able to show you more scenic views, right? Once we get out of San Antonio into, where is it called? Anyhow, once we get further, Africa. We're gonna go to Africa, so it's gonna look beautiful.
Africa?
That's what you just said, Africa.
No, I said I don't know.
Oh.
What the heck?
Anyways.
The junction. After the junction.
Yeah, it looked pretty cool. We were watching Traveling Robert. We love him.
Yeah, he's so funny.
Riding in my RVs, I go to Robert, if you watch this video, we watch you, you're cool.
We watch all your videos.
Riding in my RV.
To the west.
Into the sunset. We've been watching his videos to get some ideas of like where to go.
Like when you're watching his channel, it feels like you're watching the travel channel.
Took the wrong exit, so we're heading downtown. We're in Houston. I don't know where I'm gonna go now.
Well, I'll tell you right now, we're gonna get off of 10A, exit 10A, and then we'll take us back.
Houston.
And get back on it to I-10.
So the GPS took us the wrong route.
Everything else in Texas, big.
Yeah, pretty high.
Look at that, it's crazy. Hopefully next time we come, we get to stop at Houston and San Antonio and hang out a little bit more. Right now we're on a time frame.
Alright guys, we're at another rest area here that is just about an hour and 45 minutes from San Antonio. So we'll stretch our legs and see what these cool rocks are. History of all sorts. Oh, look, she's meeting another pup. Don't let her get too far. There we are. This guy's leaving.
A cherry eye. Something wrong with her eyelid. She needs to have surgery when she gets a little bigger. She's too small for surgery.
It's been fun, guys, but it's time to go. Isn't that right, Hope?
See y'all later, alligator.
Just got to a park here in San Antonio, Texas, guys, where we're gonna spend the night. We decided to stop and we're gonna see some family that lives here in San Antonio, and then get back on the road tomorrow again. Okay, folk, we set up. That actually took some time. We had to have some neighbors come over and help us out with getting the hitch off of the tongue. For some reason that was giving us a hard time. So we met a few of our neighbors, extremely nice people. But like I said, we're here in San Antonio, Texas. I'm going to show you guys another problem we encountered in transit here. So we got some more repairs to do. I don't know if you guys can see that right here, but in transit we noticed that the side panel of the slide out decides to come off. So, you know, it's nothing but fun, you know, with these things, man. They're built more or less very cheaply, so we've got to go to Walmart or Home Depot and find something that can put this thing back together before we hit the road again, because this can possibly entirely come off with the wind, and then the whole thing just kind of flaps and rips off. So we don't want that to happen, so we're about to go to Walmart and find something for it. But before we do so, we're going to go into town, go downtown, check out the Riverwalk, see what San Antonio has to offer, and come back and take care of this, because we leave out of here in the morning. So let's take a look and see what this looks like from the sky.
So what's up, guys? We're here downtown San Antonio, and we did not know there was a game going on. So as y'all can see, this traffic is crazy. San Antonio is lit.